Hi, this is Chandan Sahu. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install SQL Maintenance Planner. So you would have got this zip file which you need to unzip and run the installation executable file. So here is the two folder that you will get in this. This is your setup file and this is the exe file. So you must read installation instruction first over here, and the requirement to install SQL maintenance software are following. You should have Internet Information Services installed in your local machine. You should have SQL 2000 Express or higher edition and a .NET framework. So method how you can install IIS service is explained here. There are two Windows operating system, that is your Windows client and Windows Server. So if you have Windows 7, 8 or 10, these are the methods you should follow. And if you have Windows Server editions, you should follow instruction from here. So this will install your IIS server in your local machine. So just to verify if you have IIS installed or not, you can check it through your browser by just typing localhost, and you should see a screen something like this saying okay, internet information service page is available. If you say this, that means you have installed IIS services properly. The second step would be you should have your SQL server installed in your local machine, either Express or any of existing instance that you have in your local machine. So I have already installed it, and I would now proceed further with SQL Planner installation. So this is my SQL Express edition. I'll just specify the instance name here, SA, and ABCD is my password, and I'll just locate where is my setup file. This is the setup file that I need to locate it, otherwise it's not going to pick the installation file. So this is kept in download folder. I just need to browse to that location. So this is my setup file, and that's it. I would hit install. Before that, you should also read our EULA file, and you should agree to that, and then you can go ahead installation with this software. Meanwhile, at the background, it is installing the required software. You should click yes, and it is setting the website where in your local machine so that you can log into your sqlplanner.com. This is your URL which you should bookmark or save it so that in future you can always access it from this URL. If you want to access it from remote location, you just need to specify IP address of this machine and replace IP address with this local host string. Okay, I have got my login screen. The default username and password is admin and a capital DMIN. Admin and admin. A is capital here in this case to log in. With this, we have completed our installation steps.